I'm Dr. Shirley Weber, the California Secretary of State.
And I'm Jeff Macomber, Secretary of the California Department of Corrections and Rehabilitation.
As Secretary of State, I am proud to secure California's elections and the voting rights of our citizens. With decades of combined experience as public servants, Secretary Macomber and I are both passionate about serving and protecting the rights and liberties of Californians.
If you are watching this while housed in a California prison for a conviction of a felony, you are not currently eligible to vote. What you need to know is, if you're a United States citizen and a California resident, your voting rights are automatically restored when you are no longer serving time within a state prison or a local detention facility.
The Voting Rights Restored initiative is a program to help currently and formerly incarcerated people in California understand their voting rights and guide them through the registration process. If you are a United States citizen and a resident of California who will be at least 18 years old on Election Day, not currently serving a felony sentence, and not currently found mentally incompetent to vote by a court, then you are eligible to vote in California. As Secretary Macomber just said, even if you have a prior criminal conviction, you still have the right to vote in California.
For more information, look for Voting Rights Restored on your tablet and let your family know they can find more information on the California Secretary of State's website.
Civic engagement is a critical part of re-entry back into your community. So let your voice be heard.